This is an instructional video on how to go about using Moodle for Christian Studies, CRST 152, Christian Ethics. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter into Moodle, and here is the address for that, tmoodle.fccollege.edu.pk/Moodle/. Then what you do is you log in. You'll come to this. If you don't know this information, I'm going to let you just read that for yourself and figure it out. I'm going to sign in and go from there. Now what you'll do is, let's do this from a student's perspective. No, that's not it. Oh, you have to go into the class, which mine says PHRM 105, but yours is going to say CRST 152. And I'm going to do this as a student. You don't do this, but I want you to see it the way a student will see it. Okay, so here we are. In this course, there are different parts of it. There are Bible studies that you will do, a couple of those. There are lots of projects, which are called quizzes, but they're really projects. And then there's extra credit that you can do in case you've missed an assignment or not done well on a quiz or on a project. And a couple of videos, not very many. There's a place where you can do a journal for considering, examining, and praying. Okay, so now I'm going to go up here, and you'll notice that we have these projects to do. So I'm just going to click in this first project. Yours won't say some of these things, but basically, if you want to know how to do the project, here's a video right here that tells you exactly how to do it. So you haven't done it, just play this video and it'll tell you what to do. Then, following the advice from this video, you can write this quiz, okay? And this video will tell you how to do the quiz. Okay, so that's just an example, and when you're done that, you can X out of that. And that's a quiz, and then you can come, here's a second quiz on the 24th of April. Here's a third quiz. It's quiz number 4 because we took a quiz at the beginning of the course on the 13th of May, so that you'll know about that. And then we have lots of projects. So I'm going to just take a project from, here we go, on Friday the 10th of April. Now in this project, here is the project, and you just open the project, just click on those words, and then you can do the project. Now in this particular case, you can't do it because it's already run out, but I will open those back up for you. So let's do one that is open. Okay, here we go. This one's open. Okay, so here's a typical project. So here's the project. You just click on the word project. Okay, and then what you would do is continue, and then you go through and you read what it says. It has a scripture passage. It has 2 questions. You answer the questions here. And you want to make sure that you put 1, because I was answering question 1. I mean, it's a fake answer because I don't have time to do that. And then you're just going to answer these questions. However many words you need, it may be longer than that. It just depends on the thing, but you're going to read that and you're going to answer it. Then you hit enter. And so what you're going to do is go through each one of these and answer all of the questions. And you just answer the questions. Hopefully your answers are better than these. Okay. Now, each one of these has questions, and you just answer the questions. 1, and then we need to do question 2. Whoops. Okay, and so what you're going to do is you'll answer every question. You just go through and continue to do this all the way through. When you're finished, you'll come to the last one, which I did it in the wrong place, which was number 7. It's because it was already there. And when you come to the last one, just finish the attempt. And there you are, and I'll tell you what you've done already. Now, I didn't answer all of these, but you will answer all of them, okay? When you're done with that, you go back to the course. And there are other things that you have to do just like this. All of it's going to be on the internet. There are a couple of videos, hardly any. There are a couple of videos that you need to watch. If you have a problem with that, just let your professor know and we'll take care of that. We'll figure out a way to make that work for you. But here you go. If you have any questions about what to do, just ask your professor and your professor will help you to figure out how to proceed. This is really not difficult. You simply read the project, answer the questions, do what it tells you to do. And it shouldn't take you that terribly long a time. But remember, you will be marked on how you do. And all of these are being opened for you. So if you need help, if you haven't done the assignments the way you should have done them, you can go back. I'll just say one last thing. Do not copy from something else. I had a student do that recently, and that student got a 0 for that question. The student just copied from something else and pasted it. And I could see right away, I knew right away it was copied. And so that student got a bad grade. This is all of our professors in the Christian Studies program, we all agree on this question. We are not going to allow students to do this, okay? So if you have any more questions, just let me know. God bless you all, and I hope that this will go well for you.